Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the JinLunar wall mount for the Sonos amp. If you're someone who loves a clean, organized audio setup, this might be the solution you've been searching for. The JinLunar wall mount is specifically designed to fit the Sonos amp, offering a dedicated circular tray that aligns perfectly with the amplifier's base. This design ensures even weight distribution and provides a stable foundation for your device, keeping it secure and neatly positioned. One of the standout features of this mount is the secure locking mechanism. It comes with a slide-in screw that locks the Sonos amp to the wall bracket, giving you peace of mind that your amplifier is firmly in place and protected from accidental knocks or falls. The mount is slim and low profile, meaning you can install it behind or beside your TV, or in any other convenient location, without it taking up valuable countertop or media console space. This design also helps maintain proper heat dissipation so your Sonos amp stays cool during operation. The JinLunar wall mount isn't just functional, it's built to last. Constructed from high-quality black steel, it is strong, durable, and resistant to rust and chipping. The finish is sleek and modern, ensuring it blends seamlessly into any home setup. Installation is straightforward, and the package even includes a free spirit level to help you get everything perfectly aligned with minimal effort. This attention to detail makes it easy for anyone to mount their Sonos amp quickly and securely. In terms of dimensions, the wall mount measures 9.72 by 8.11 by 1.73 inches and weighs just over a pound, making it lightweight but sturdy enough to hold your amplifier with confidence. It's designed to be compact, elegant, and unobtrusive while still providing superior support for your Sonos amp. Overall, the JinLunar wall mount combines practicality, durability, and style. It's perfect for anyone looking to create a minimalist setup, save space, and keep their Sonos amp safe and accessible. If you value both function and aesthetics in your home audio setup, this mount is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the latest tech accessories.